Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back yet again with another face mask review, and this time I'll be reviewing the Reebok face mask. So a little bit of background, I ordered this face mask because the Adidas ones were out of stock at the time, but apparently Reebok and Adidas are the same, I think. Yeah, these came in a 3-pack for $20, so a little bit more expensive than the Adidas brand. This is a size small. It's not the large size, and I got a small because I thought it fit my face better. But yeah, it's really nice. It's got a filter pocket. The ear shafts are pretty flexible, so I think it'll fit multiple sizes. But anyway, I'll stop talking and let's just try it on. And this mask, it just fits beautifully, honestly. Like, this is amazing. I think this is probably the best mask that I have so far. It's very comfortable, and the material is like so smooth and soft against your face that you can't even really tell that it's on. Talking is decent in this mask, but one thing that I will say is that when you talk, the mask doesn't really fall down, so that's a really nice feature. You don't have to keep adjusting it as much, and it fits like really good with my glasses, although I have noticed that sometimes my glasses do start to fog up a little bit, so that's one thing to keep in mind if you wear glasses, but usually that can be fixed by just like adjusting the nose a little bit. But yeah, this is a really nice mask. I'd highly recommend it. It's probably my favorite. Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.